Hello and welcome back. In this lecture we create upload image method to allow users to change profile cover and profile image. So first of all we need to add onChange attribute to our file input inside our profile.php, and we will set jQuery function to submit the form when user choose file to upload. So go to your profile.php and scroll down to find image cover form, and here's our form, and here's our file input to upload the profile cover, and here's our input name for profile cover, and let's add the onChange attribute, and here will be our jQuery function to submit the form. So this dot form dot submit function, and let's copy this attribute. Scroll down to find profile image form, which is here. Here's our form, and here's our input for profile image, and here's our input name profile image. Paste the attribute here, and now to get if condition to get the image from the form. So we can pass the image to our upload image method to upload the image. So scroll up to your PHP blog, and below here we need to get if condition to check if user submit the image. So is set $_files super global variable, and here will be our input name for profile image. So profile image capital I. So when it's set, we need to get if condition to make sure it's not empty. So exclamation mark empty function $_files profile image, and here will be bracket for name, and this will be image name, another bracket, and here will be 0 for errors. So when in all set, we need to upload the image. So here will be our file root variable, because our upload image method returned the file root for the uploaded file. So we can update a database for our images. So file root equal to get from you upload image method. We need to pass the file array. So files, and here will be file image, and let's create upload image method. So go to your users class, and below here we need to create new public function. So public function upload image, and it will take the file array. So file, and first we need to get the file name from the file. So create file name variable, and this will be equal to base name function, which is the path name from the file, and here will be our file name. And now to get the temporary file location, so file tmp for temporary, and this will be equal to file array tmp underscore name, and this will be our temporary directory for the uploaded file. And now to get the file size variable, so file size equal to file array size, and this will be our image size. And now to get error variable, and this will be equal to file error to check the errors for images. Now to get the extension from the file, so below here you need to get extension variable for short ext for extension, and this will be equal to explode function, which basically breaks string into an array. And here will be our separator, so we need to separate from dot, and here will be our file name to get the extension from the file name. And now to get the exact extension, because this method will return the file name and the extension, so below here create ext equal to So first we need to convert uppercase to lowercase. So we will use str to lower function, which basically converts the uppercase to lowercase because our extension could be in uppercase. So first we need to convert it to lowercase. Then we need to get the last element using the AND function. So this will return the last element from the array, and which will be our extension. So pass ext variable, and this will get extension from this variable. And now to get array for our allowed extension for images. So let's create the array. So let's say allowed underscore ext for extension, and this will be equal to array, and here will be our allowed extension. So first we need to allow jpj and png and jpeg. And now to get if condition to check if the extension allowed in our allowed array. So here will be in array function to search the element in the array, and this will be triple equal to true because we want to return true. And here will be our extension variable to search, and here will be allowed array to search into. So allowed extension array, and here we will check the errors for images, but we need to set the error for our extension. And here will be our super global variable to set the error, so you can display the error inside our profile.php or wherever we want to display the upload image error. So dollar capital globals open brackets, and here will be our variable name. So image error capital E, and this will be equal to, and here will be our error. So let's say the extension is not allowed, and let's check the errors inside here. So create if condition, and here will be our error variable, and this will be triple equal to 0, which means no error occurs. And now to get the file size for our image, so if condition again, and here will be our file size variable less than equal to, and here will be our bytes for 2 MB because we want to only allow 2 MB images to upload. So here will be 2,92,72,152 bytes. Then we need to upload the image, else we need to set the error. So here will be our error. So copy this error from here and paste here. And we will change the error. So let's say the file size is too large, and inside here we need to create variable for the file root so we can upload the file. So create file root variable, and this will be equal to single quote, and here will be our directory to store the files which you will create. So type users to store the images and add slash. Now to concatenate into the file name, so here will be file name variable. Now to upload the file using the move uploaded file function, and here will be our temporary directory for the file. So file tmp, and here will be our destination for the file to save. So file root. Now to return the file root, so we can update the path into our users table to display the user images. And let's create the users folder. So go to your tutorial folder, create new folder, and this will be users. And now go to your profile.php, and below this method we need to update the users table for our profile image. So cat from u update method, where to update the users table. Here will be user ID and here will be a column, so array profile image column, and here will be file root, which returns from our upload image method. And now to copy this if condition from here and paste below here and change this to profile cover. To upload the profile cover, copy this, paste here and here, and also for the column. And let's display the errors for our images in the form. So scroll down to the edit form, which is here, and below the edit form I created the error div to display the error, and I added to our template. So uncomment this error and open and close PHP tag, and if condition is set, and here will be our image error, which is our super global variable to display the error. So when it's set, we need to display the error, so echo the error. So copy this from here, paste here, and scroll to right, and inside here we need to concatenate the image error variable, image error variable, and now copy this PHP block, scroll down to find the closing form, which is here, and now to display the error below here, so paste the PHP pivot and change this to error. Scroll to right, here will be error, remove UL from here, and now test is that. So go to your edit profile page, refresh the page, and let's upload the profile image. Refresh the page. Now it's clearly the profile image. Let's change the cover. Refresh the page. Perfect. Now to set the redirection to redirect user when user uploads the image or profile cover, and we will also set redirection for this cancel button. So go to your edit profile page and scroll up to find the cancel button, which is here inside our edit-div, and here's our cancel button. Aim to add on click attribute, and here will be our JavaScript function to redirect to user profiles. So window dot location dot href equal to single quote, and here will be our username. So open and close PHP tag, echo username. Now scroll up to your PHP block, and below our update method, we need to redirect user to user profile. So header location, and we need to concatenate the user variable. So dot username. Copy this header function, paste below here. So now when user change the image, it will redirect to user profile. Now let's test this out. So go to your profile page, refresh the page, and let's check the error. Remove the screen name, submit the button. Now display the error below our form, and let's click on the cancel button, so it will redirect us to profile page. Perfect. So we successfully created upload image method to upload the images. In the next lecture, we create account page where we display user account information to update. So see you in the next lecture.